no talk. So I've not posted a video since like October, and the reason for that is I moved in with my parents and I'm doing better. So I finally got a setup for my videos, and it's ghetto as heck, but it's gonna work, I think. But anyway, that's what I wanted to come on here and say. That's Chevelle. She's in pillows. What else has been going on with me? I've not crocheted in like since November or December. I want to say December, and I'm more into reading now. I read I think 10 books in 1 month, so that's really good for me. I've got to run some errands with my mama in a little bit. I might take you guys along and see what we can get into. Hey guys, I'm back again and I'm ready to go run some errands, and I'm going to take you all along.